So this is what I'll be having today. It includes proteins from the egg and beans. We have vegetable from the cherry tomatoes, starch from my bread, and of course it's mango season, so I have a mango over here. It's good to include fruits in your breakfast. Hi and what's up? In today's episode I'm going to be showing you what I eat for breakfast sometimes, and it's going to be super delicious, so stick around until the end of the video and learn how to make this amazing recipe. There are about 2 recipes and the outcome is going to be super delicious. Also follow me at Instagram. I have amazing content and there are lots of recipes. So without further ado, let's get started. So I'm going to move over to the stove top, and on medium heat I'm going to place my pot, add a little bit of cooking oil in my pot. Next I'm going to be adding onion. Stir in the onion and let the onion cook for about 1 minute on medium low flame. So for my first recipe, I'm going to be making baked beans, and I have a can of baked beans over here that I picked up in the supermarket. And I'm going to revamp these beans into an amazing and delicious, okay, they are already cooked and they have their own sauce, so they're delicious, but I'm going to be making them even more delicious by adding a few spices, and the outcome is going to be, yeah, super good. So I don't want to brown my onions. I'm going to be cooking them until translucent or soft. The onions are ready. So next I'm going to be adding my assorted peppers. Stir in the peppers. I'll give this a minute just to soften up a little bit. Then next I'm going to add in a little bit of seasoning. The baked beans are already seasoned, but I'm going to add a little bit of pepper because I love pepper, black pepper, and a little bit of salt, like a pinch of salt. Then I'm going to stir in. Then I'm going to pick my beans. And add the beans in my pot. Make sure I get everything from the can. You don't want to waste any deliciousness. So when everything is in the pot, I'm going to give this a stir, and it already smells amazing. So my breakfast is going to be ready in a matter of minutes because my beans are already cooked. That is such a relief because this is just super fast to create. And let me tell you, it's looking amazing. And I can't wait to have my breakfast. I'm going to give this a minute just to the flavors to marry each other, and then it's going to be ready. Yeah. As my beans cook, I'm going to be prepping my next recipe. So I'm going to be making scrambled eggs, and they're very simple to make. I'm going to crack in 3 eggs. It's been like a minute and my baked beans are ready. So I'm going to cover this and turn off the heat. Then I'm going to move this here because it's ready. And here I have a cast iron. So on medium heat, I'm going to place my pan. add a little bit of cooking oil. Then next I'm going to add salt and pepper to my eggs. Then I'm going to add in a little bit of turmeric. Using a fork, I'm going to mix everything together. When my eggs are well combined, I'm going to add this in my pan. Then I'm going to scramble up my eggs. So it is that easy. You can cook to perfection, or you can cook the scrambled eggs just the way you love them. Because everything is ready, I'm going to be transferring this to a plate. Very delicious. This is how I love my scrambled eggs. In the same pan, I'm going to be placing my bread. I'm not going to be buttering my bread. I just want it plain. And I'm going to check on my bread and flip. I just want a little bit of color. Then I'm going to place my bread on my plate. Add the next toast. Give it a minute, like almost a minute to toast. Flip my bread, and this is how it's looking. Give the other side a minute. My bread is ready, so I'm going to add in a little bit of oil, just a little bit of oil. And here I have cherry tomatoes, so I'm going to place them facing down. Then I'm going to add in a little bit of pepper and a little bit of salt. Then I'm going to shake them a little bit just to be coated with the spices. And my cherry tomatoes are ready. So I'm going to transfer this to my plate, just like that. Then I'm going to add in my baked beans. They are smelling amazing, you guys. Add a little bit more, and my breakfast is ready. So my breakfast is ready, and it includes proteins from the egg and beans. We have vegetable from the cherry tomatoes, starch from my bread, and of course it's mango season, so I have a mango over here. It's good to include fruits in your breakfast because they are healthy. So this is what I'll be having today, and I'll enjoy each and every bite. And the good thing is, it is a hack using the baked beans because you don't have to go boiling the beans. They are already prepared for you. What you have to do is just give them a little touch up with spices and this amazing assorted bell peppers, and it's going to be super delicious. So thank you so much for watching, and catch you on my next one. Ciao. So I'm going to give my mango a chop. Wow, look at that. And the other side. then I can eat the pit. Then I'm going to give this a nice presentation, just like that. Look how gorgeous it is. It is